What I look for? Drink it, drink. Come man, come. Come. Come down. Go over there, sir. Over there, sir. Come down, over there, sir. Alright. Keep the window low, keep the window low. This is come up. How am I moving so shaky? Pull over man, pull over. Yeah, move so shaky. Pull over and I drink. Come, pull over. Come. Right here, sir, right here, sir. Watch out, come. Now watch your patrol, drop in there, come. You don't know say you can't drink and drive.
Officer Pink Button, sorry about that, but me ain't drink and drive, sir. Me did a drive and drink, sir.
Drive and drink?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you drive and drink? I think you take a picture of that?
No, sir.
You go around the company road and take that, don't you?
No, sir, yes,
and
sir.
that's why my government put me in a pink button, can take that. I think wearing pink button is a idiot, you know?
No, sir. I just we can show you how me did a drive and drink. Me not drink and drive, officer.
Alright, me there, me now move.
Alright, officer, you see when let me show you. Yeah, look.
Yeah, look.
Alright, you see, me not drink, me not gossip. And then me drive. Me gossip first. Me make sure say there not day. Then me drive and then me gossip. See that?
Rules is rules, law is law.
Yes, Mr. P.
Anyway you do it, I still drink and drive. You can get charged in it. You know what ticket that?
Sir, officer, sir, with all, as me say, with all due respect, sir, me never really did I want to violate the law, sir. That's why me just make sure, say, drive up, then me drink. You understand? Me not violate the law, me just make sure, say,
come on for that.
Drive and then me drink.
Who fuck you this?
Eh?
Who fuck you this?
I'm a baby mother, sir.
Baby mother.
Yes, Mr. People.
Let me see documents. Documents.
Document.
My baby mother name.
With all due respect, Mr. Officer, what you call yourself?
So you drive people car. I don't know any documents. You never own a car before.
No, Mr. Officer, sir. I first time never drive. I've washed the if you can go wash it. Don't I you can't wash don't let somebody do that. You understand? Carry back up there. So what you say, man?
Hold on there. I want that for you for the glass.
This?
A tag?
Yeah, man. I not really pop it tag from my clothes, officer.
So you have money then, none. You have money.
Not really, you know.
People in the pop tag have money.
I have a little thing I go on with still, but I not really stay something.
You know really? No, hold on, man. It's like one of your car this now. So you can drop a little thing and we can call the record, you know. Because me man of your car, you know.
Oh. It's a pink button. You know what's between me and you? It's only a 50. Yeah.
50 who? US?
No.
Who?
It's only a 50 yardy. Yarders, man.
50 what?
Yardy.
No, yeah. Come out. No, nobody even come out. We call the record.
When I have to go there so still, Mr. Officer, do me a beggar.
Put something more, Vanny, man. Put something more. At lunchtime.
Eh?
Put something more, man. You know you can put something more, man.
Hold on there.
Yeah, man. The government not really pay we good, you know.
Hold on there. Sir, Officer, come round, sir. Cause carry come round there.
Wait a a big cheese. Oh, you mean,
Yeah,
man?
come round, sir.
I think them rate, you know. I think them rate, man. If you know, I let them
Yeah.
I walk on there, sir.
I buckle them, officer.
Are you drink them Sunday? Yeah? You know, say
not really.
You know, say at $20,000 for each buckle.
Not really.
Don't you know that? Eh? Yeah. You have a 100,000 pack?
Eh?
You have a pack?
I not really me drink them, you know, officer.
I would drink them.
Eh?
I don't drink them, put them there. I take officer for idiot.
No. I not me say with them, boss.
Then I won't miss it with them.
I grown to see them there. I grown to see them for an option.
Yeah.
See my thing.
We have in there. Jagan.
Jagan,
Jagan.
mind them there.
And Jagan you beat. No man, no worry head.
Car wash man. Give me a second man. Why you say Mr. Pink button? You know some money there man.
Style. Watch it.
20.
Watch it. Look at the country, just pass it. Style.
Hold on them man. Me have more silver here. Mr. Pink button. Me have more money there.
You know what? Go on.
Eh?
Give me. Go on.
Oh
Go on.
God. Give me back $5 now. A joke man. Me say we can move now.
Go on. Let me catch you back on the road. I reckon next, you know. I reckon next.
Alright, Mr. Pink button.
And I call me, sir.
Yeah, alright, sorry man. Yes, boss.
And let me see you back on the road.
Yes, boss.
That's a reckon.
Yes, Mr. Pink button, boss.
Me don't need no pink button.
Alright, officer scatter teeth, sir.
Ow. Alright. Oi! Wallet! Where I come from?
Bush, sir.
Bush. Come in the shade. Right over there, sir. I'm not from.
I'm a farm where I come from.
Which farm? Where you farm there?
Up there, sir.
What are they?
A calabash, sir.
Calabash. Where do the calabash?
I meet out, sir.
Out of that dirty something there?
You know dirty, sir. I meet out, sir.
You know dirty? You know dirty?
You know dirty, sir.
It's dirty to me?
But you better did I eat out of one, sir, because your mouth corner.
Oh, we are trying.
I joke now, next sir.
Yo, how we know you from?
Eh?
Where we know you from?
Me?
Yeah, yes you.
You don't know me.
Me know you somewhere.
You don't know me, Mr. Sir.
Well, who don't know you? You don't drive one silver car?
Oh! I'm the drive the car the other day.
Everywhere you go,
Eh.
you walk and you don't know say if you have no liquor on road.
But me now drive this at
You don't know say if you bag up in liquor when you are drinking.
Bag up here.
That's no picking no seat.
But officer, you take set for me, sir. Everywhere you see me, you just take set for me, sir. Sir, I don't like that, you know, sir.
Listen me. You don't know if they can charge you.
Charge me for your walk with this, sir.
Yeah, you're supposed to bag it up.
This is one little red stripe, sir.
Watch out now. Look at the big charge right there, the machete.
Machete.
Yeah. Machete exposed in the area. You never know that.
But I work, sir. Remember, say me a farmer, you know, sir.
No, whether you're a farmer should know if you put him toll in a crocus bag. You have license? You have license for your farm?
Sir, I don't want no license for farm, sir.
Yes, you have a license. You run a farm, you have to pay government tax to run farm. How you think we get paid?
I never been.
How you think we get on the road with the book? You see that book here? 150 page. It's supposed to be done today. Every book, every day, if it's done. I'm not supposed to go back in with it. You understand?
I understand, Mr. Sir.
Right. So, what you can do for yourself? Because we can two charges, you know. Two charges.
Mr. Officer, sir, I tell you the truth, I'm not really bossy in the idea, I'm not nothing, you know. I'm not done, sir.
You're not trying to you come from farm and look at you clean. You know, bossy, and you come from farm well clean. And you drink beer. I mean, I saw that can't drink a beer. You have to run something, man. You have to run something.
Mr. Officer, anybody will bring you in a force similar to you, you know, sir. No discretion, sir, but anybody will bring you in a force similar to you, you know, sir.
What that mean? What that mean?
Eh?
What similar mean? Because from me born I first meet you.
Officer, you don't know what similar mean?
No.
That means you need to walk with an Oxford dictionary instead of a ticket book. That means you ticket yourself.
You think this pay me? This pay me?
But you don't see it to walk with it because you don't know what symbol mean. You see vocabulary, Then if you build up that, Mr. Officer, sir.
You know, say, Uno I tried this officer.
No, I'm not this.
And that's why when time gunshot a fire on around here, you know, on the car, we don't come in there until it done, you know. We don't come in there until the shot them complete. Eh? Uno, make anytime gunshot a fire down here, you know. We don't come in there, you know. After it done fire, 2 hours after we come in at that. Because of Uno. Take you.
Sorry, Mr. Officer.
Don't run with me.
You want it back up, Mr. Officer?
I charge you, you know.
Alright, no bother with that, man. So you're not have to go to some boss.
Yeah.
Respect you, you know.
Drop something, boy. Drop something,
Sir.
Huh? Show them something, show them something.
I don't have nothing for me now.
Everybody know nothing for you.
I'm not telling a lie. No, nothing, man.
We are search water boot for people that put money in a water boot.
I ain't me keep it more while, Mr. Officer.
Only the police have to murder life in the road, you know. Come to stingy, man.
I understand, man, but...
When you not pass hospital, if you have a juice and say, hold that.
Mr. Officer, I'm move now, you know.
No, you can't move. Where you come from?
Me, sir.
Yes, you. Who else?
Chuku me come from, sir.
Where you find Chuku?
Chuku.
You know, I have no address. What address?
Same place up at Chuku.
Jesus, you see where you go and put me there.
I'm not telling a lie.
Which part of Chuku you come from? Which part of Chuku?
Up at Chuku, sir.
Jesus, it's the boy and no sense, man. I think I take policy in that, you know.
No, sir,
You know, you really take policy in that.
I'm not do that.
Listen to me. Why can't you get us in a Rasta in iPhone? Eh? Why you don't think you ever see a Rasta in iPhone?
So, no want information from Rasta, sir. That me not understand.
No, we don't want Rasta in the force.
So, no don't want information from the Rasta them, and that me I said,
Oh,
sir.
yeah. We have to ask them for direction if we see them here. This is the last.
No, ask the Rasta for them, there's something there. Because guess what?
Why?
Sorry, Mr. Sir.
Why I mean if you ask the Rasta for them?
Sorry, man, I do it, man.
Eh? I think I take a feed.
No, I don't take a feed that, Mr. Pink Button, sir.
Are you gone back?
Sorry.
You know, car this time, you know.
Sorry, man.
You know, faster than a bullet, you know.
Me know.
Okay.
I'm not try faster than it, sir.
Your sense now, man.
Me not change the argument, sir, but that shows they are way upon the street, sir.
Me shoot have a problem. Me shoot a right ticket. Eh? No, me on a right ticket. Eh? At least me have on the government clothes. That's good enough for them. Them shoes hot. Me now wear just big and heavy. Listen me. Right now you get out of hand. You can't talk about my shoes. Don't watch my shoes, they're too bright. Boy, you're really bright, you know.
Then now you say me done, sir.
You're bright duns. Yeah, man, you're bright duns. You're not really fully bright. You're just bright duns. You're bright and duns. But yeah, cut off of that. The most important thing one right now. What's your name?
My name, sir.
Yes, your name. Who else may I talk to?
My name is Jigidi, sir.
Your yard name that?
Yes, sir. My father, when my mother did have me, sir, and then call him to find a name fast. He went up on a donkey, and the donkey did get. I said, him did I say, giddy up, and he just take off something for that, and I said, giddy. So he just said, Jigidi. Call the boy Jigidi.
You know, your father not no sense. But me no want that.
Him have dollars too, sir.
No, me no business about that. Me no want to hear nothing about no pet name. Give me the real name so we can write it down in the book.
The real name?
Real name.
Me don't know, sir.
Jesus, I'm button up. Hey, me say give me a real name.
That's my name, sir. Me don't know.
Hey.
That's my name for real. Me don't know, sir.
So, your father and mother put down me don't know upon the paper?
No, my father, when he left, and then they missing up. You understand? So, when now, me grow a little more, and then me did ask my mother what my name, right? And me did ask my mother what my real name, and he said, me don't know, sir.
So you want to tell me, say, that the your birth paper? The officer you look pan and tell me, say, me don't know the your birth paper?
Yes, sir. He said,
well,
sir, me did ask him what upon my birth paper, and then he said, me don't know. That's why me know say my name, me don't know.
That's you read that to the officer say. You don't know what your name.
No, that me, sir, what me say, when me dey get bigger, me dey ask my mother say, what upon bird paper? And she say, me no know. So that's why me know for fact say, me name, me no know.
You know, say the government really put me in the wrong spot. Why can I up on the beach me go? Eh? Why can I in the office me stay? Why
Just a good, sir. Pass a cooler, you know, sir. I
no cooler to jackass road there, so. So who the hell can name me no know?
Sir, I no pay jackass live up there, sir. You see over there, sir, if you go over there, sir, enough cow over there.
Listen.
And then be a jackass up there, sir.
Me did tell you about now. Cow, I know, jackass. We mean jackass, idiot. Jackass. That's
sir, but me say my grandfather have whole heap. And he dey have them keep over there, sir. I'm not telling you lies, sir.
If you want to retire, God no.
I'm not telling you lies, sir.
Me not talk about none. When you call jackass and do business where you want to call jackass, me not talk about that the jackass.
So, sir, why when you talk about something, Augusta, sir?
Because I'm hungry and you can't tip me. Me say job something, you don't have no money, you come out here well bossy from farm with beer in your hand.
So tell me something. Your teeth them, they not really, you don't have no money for work on them, sir.
Government don't pay you good. You know, alright, sir.
No, I don't know this thing, you know,
sir. No, and no government don't pay me because me get you can't buy teeth. Bright, you bright.
Yes, sir, no, Mr. Sir, man, I do, man.
Let me give you 10. You can't find me 10. You're lucky today, you know. You're lucky.
Me know, man.
No, but me can coffee and carry go down the station. So you're still not lucky yet.
Sir, me can't go on.
Give me something. Buy a beer. Give me something.
You make me drink coffee all of this, sir? Sorry, man. I joke, man.
Give me my shit and go on. Give me my shit.
After, sir, this I used to work on the farm.
Out of the sleep in the cell, I give you the machete and buy another one.
This I used to work on the farm.
Me say, out of the give me this machete, yeah, I sleep in a jail tonight, I buy a new one. Which one? Make up your mind. Choose which one you want. Give me.
So after, sir, I'm bread this, you know.
Your bread what? Where you do that?
My arm and leg.
Where you do the machete? What kind of farming you do with the machete? Kind of, where you look for? I talk to you.
I hear me there look on, in favor some bush and me there chop down.
You don't worry about that, they want me to but me not
Imagine how me there chop down the bush them over farm, sir.
And this.
But me last.
And this
What you say now, sir?
We say, what you do with the machete? What kind of farming you do?
I send me in my plant, sir.
Send me, huh? Call big land and the whole of them and come down.
No, you don't have to do that.
Where they? You call big land?
I can't tell you where they, sir.
You call big land?
You don't have to call nobody, sir, because your boy them buy from it, you know. All the car key suit man buy a pound, 3 pound from over there.
For me? Collect them?
Yeah, for your boss.
Buy send me in from you?
Yeah, I'm not joke, for your boss.
Tell me which one of them, what their name?
Eh?
I'm going to report them and turn khaki suit.
No, they must say me an inferno.
In what?
They must say me an inferno. I not do that.
Inferno?
Yeah, they must say me. But you see soup, as me say, him carry a couple people tomorrow there.
I saw his soup and roll and every time soup right me up, every time I late. Alright.
I good reading on Mr. Pink button and I don't know.
Hey, Mr. Top Farm Pink button.
Sorry, man.
You see, I'm glad you tell me this information. And this is why I'm not going to charge it today.
Mr. Pink button, me didn't tell you nothing, you know.
No, you know what you said, man. I'm glad for this information. Soup can't write me for you.
I'm a customer, so I run the Mr. Pink button.
I don't business with your customer, you know. We come first. You know, a lamb wants stripe and can't get no stripe.
Rasta, see if Mr. Officer. Bengi. What on now?
Hey, we know what you call it. Rasta, so we know. You notice we know.
I'm a virgin, sir.
You virgin, what?
You know, I beg for me, Bengi, say yo.
No, man, you don't get no chance. Listen to me. Tomorrow, you can't chat to me again, you know. We have to get a strike.
Can't go on now.
No, can't go on yet. Not until we check the bag. Give me the bag.
Oh.
Give me the bag. Give me the bag. Open the bag, open the bag.
You have to see now this a part of
Open it, open it. Not show me in a so.
Why?
Let me see in a so.
Where?
In a so. Cause you feel like you take officer for idiot. Yeah, man, hold up,
That's
open it.
really can't do busting a butt.
How so much money you have in there? How so much money you have in there? Hey! And I go on, sir.
Sir, I hustling money, sir.
Put on government book, cause this is not necessary right now.
Sir, hold on. Me ask sir.
And the button.
Hold on. Sir.
This is for me.
I saw you search your woman phone.
Where you talking?
I saw you search your woman in the phone in the car.
Alright, Tabo. Where you know about my woman? Where you know about my woman? Where you know about my woman? You know some can bury it. You know some can bullet it right now and show you what this is.
Sir.
Alright, we can bullet it and make it look like you rush me the machine. You didn't know that?
No, but nobody not gonna believe because he Bingy down there, sir. Bingy now moving.
Me go put the machine in the animal. Answer you rush me.
So how you gonna do that?
No worry. I'm the super calm. Soup! Yes, soup.
But I tell him
With the
man.
family we are come soup. We are deal with somebody soup.
But I tell him man nothing, you know.
Alright, no problem, soup. Yeah.
A lie man tell Mr. Soup, sir.
Alright, no problem, soup.
Not tell him nothing.
Yeah, no problem. Listen, a soup that call me now. Want something out of that. I can go on. Come, give me back. Check me
Hold
back.
on, no man.
Jigidi and a piece of pink button.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.